guys!
What's up?
So today we're gonna start our new YouTube channel. It's gonna be called The Mini Scientists of Fun. So on this YouTube channel we're gonna be doing some cooking
And science experiments?
and outdoor fun. We're also gonna be doing today are some Rice Krispie cereal bars, chocolate flavor. We'll do that video in a couple of hours, I think, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So yes, we're from Malta, a small island in the Mediterranean. This is my cousin Andreas.
Hi.
He's a new baby. It has like 6 months, I think. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy our new YouTube channel and hope you do some of our science experiments. Please subscribe and turn on notification bell. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.